Here in Osun State, Governor Ademola Adeleke has flagged off the enrollment of inmates in the state into the Osun Health Insurance Scheme. At the event, which took place at the Elisha Medium Correctional Center of the Nigeria Correctional Services, Governor Adeleke described inmates at correctional facilities as bona fide citizens of Osun State and Nigeria as a whole. He noted further that his administration does not discriminate on any basis, whether political affiliation, tribe, religion, or gender. Earlier in his remarks, the Special Advisor to the Governor on Public Health, Dr. Ademola Adeleke, declared that Governor Adeleke is often described as a trailblazer, adding that it is the reason the federal government emulated Osun in terms of enrollment of pensioners into health insurance scheme, as well as renovation of primary health care centers.
Of inmates of correctional centers in Osun State into the Osun State Insurance Scheme. This program is in response to the passionate appeal of the controller of the correction in Osun State, Mr. Lale Koroti Olawale, MINM, during his courtesy visit to the government house. We regard inmates in our correctional facilities as qualified citizens of this state and of our country. Their health care and general well-being must remain a matter of priority. As you must all have observed, our religion does not discriminate on any basis, whether political affiliation, tribe, religion, or gender, in extending the dividend of democracy to all citizens and residents of Osun State. Today, we extend our healthcare coverage to inmates of correctional centers as a demonstration of our concern for the health and well-being of every segment of our people. Many have asked, how are we achieving all this despite the state-lean financial situation, especially in the last 7 months? The answer is simple. Aside from being strong believer in God, we embrace transparency and priority spending in the management of the state funds. We have raised our internally generated revenue, and we are usually manage our special projects.
In a speech, Oluwadele noticed that the governor's presence at the event is a testament of his commitment to the welfare of inmates. In his welcome address, the Executive Secretary of Osun Health Insurance Agency, Dr. Razak Indili, appreciated Governor Adeleke for the attention given to the health sector in Osun State through the Osun Health Insurance Agency, noting that the agency is successful today because of the governor's support. Other dignitaries present at the event include Osun State House of Assembly Speaker Adewale Egbedu, the board chairman, Osun Health Insurance Agency, Dr. Muyiwa Olamideji, commissioners and State House of Assembly members. Representing the Owa Obokun of Ijesha land was the Oboni of Ipole Ijesha, Oba Oyebade Oyileye, who led other traditional rulers in Ijesha land.
And providing free surgical operations for inmates. Your presence here today is a testament to your commitment to the welfare and rehabilitation of our inmates. Your Excellency, upon my assumption of duty as the State Controller in September 2024, I visited critical stakeholders in the state, including the Executive Secretary, Osun Health Insurance Agency, Dr. Razak Adeleke, and I emphasized majorly on the enrollment of our inmates, and he promised to discuss with you, sir. As a listening governor, he conveyed your message back to us that you are expressly and graciously approved the enrollment of our inmates into OIS, which we are witnessing today. We extend our heartfelt admiration to you, Mr. Governor, for your unwavering support to the Nigerian Correctional Service, Osun State Command. Your gesture of granting amnesty to 53 inmates in December 2024 was a beacon of hope and a demonstration of your compassion. We also thank you for renovating our operational vehicles and giving us, restoring our lights at the state headquarters office.
Governing board and the management of the Osun Health Insurance Agency heartfully thank you, Your Excellency, sir, for all the support you have given us. I want to reassure you that we will not disappoint you. So many things have been done. The present secretariat where we use was completed and commissioned by His Excellency. He also inaugurated the governing board of the agency for smooth running. We have completely digitalized all our operations in the Osun Health Insurance Agency, courtesy of Mr. Governor. There have been regular provision of drugs and other equipment to hospitals. In fact, not too long ago, he provided government hospitals under OIS with numerous multi-million equipment for the benefit of their people. He has approved the training and retraining of our members, of our staff for the better performance of their duties. There have been support of catastrophic events of some indigents of this state. For instance, 6 people have been supported to have complete renal transplant. 2 people have been supported to have complete hip transplant, and recently they have supported another person for complete hip replacement. PDP. It's a common knowledge of the enrollment of pensioners, of the enrollment of people living with disabilities, and provision of life support gadgets to them. It is also a common knowledge that quite a number of people living with HIV are also enrolled free into the Osun Health Insurance Scheme. It's not something that is hidden to.